So it's very good, like if you're taking a good entry and a calculated stop loss, your fear is also minimized. A big hello to all the traders and would-be traders watching me. I'll be answering a few questions. So without any delay, let's begin. My name is Rahul Bhatia and I am 23 years old. I'm following markets since the last year and I formally began trading in the month of February this year. To be precise, it was my birthday, so I remember it exactly. It was 26th of February. There are plenty of things that I like about trading. I personally treat it as very similar to other businesses in terms of its earning potential, but it varies completely in other things. I'll give you an example. You don't have to make any payments to your employees or you don't have to manage inventory here. So you're pretty relieved and calm in all those scenarios. The only thing that you need is a decent setup in terms of its resources and you're good to go. So you can just get yourself boarded and enjoy your trading journey. Whatever stocks you pick and whatever plottings you do on the chart, you feel best when the stock respects all those levels and helps you achieve your target. This is no doubt the best thing for any trader. So it's very good, like if you're taking a good entry and a calculated stop loss, your fear is also minimized, even if the price moves very close to your stop loss. So initially there were many obstacles because I was also working in a corporate, so it was difficult for me to prepare any watch list or pick stocks earlier. But now, as compared to before, I have ample of time in preparing watch list and I'm like very much pre-prepared for all those things. But the obstacle remains right now as well. The only difference is you are better with your psychology, you are better with your experience, so you know when to enter and when to avoid the entry. I basically trade in all the sectors, but I personally prefer going for the auto sector stocks. So I'll pick one from there only. It was Hero Motocorp, I remember. Not just because I made good profits in that, but I uploaded that call into our community group, and many of our fellow traders also made some good profits onto from Hero Motocorp that day. And furthermore, Ritvik also saw that call and appreciated me for that. So that was a little icing on the cake. Trust me, guys, this is the most difficult thing for any trader. It is easy for you to make profits in one or two trades, but it is very difficult to make it consistent. And I personally believe that the big traders also can be a little more imbalanced or can lose their calm while trading. So it's okay. But if you're losing your whole capital, then it's not okay. So what you have to do is you have to have a very good risk management in when you're trading in stock market. So it's always suggestible that you should only put at least like 2 to 3% on stake while you're entering any trade. Moreover, if I'll talk about my experience, I personally watch a stock for some time in different time frames so that I'm very good with the trend in which it is going. So I do not enter a stock which is going for downtrend. I'm entering it long. So I just need to have a good look over the stock, and before entering, I just ask myself that why do I need the entry. So if you'll ask this question to yourselves, maybe this can help you. Whenever someone asks me this question, I have only one advice. Do not lose up, or I would say never lose big, because trading is something that if you are engaged in this, you will get plenty of lessons to learn. But if you are going to wipe up your whole account, there will be no lessons for you. So just save your capital and just enjoy this journey of trading. That's it from my side. Thank you and all the best.